Yo ebusia yama makwa aba the Fabulous Zone so yama obi bia official pa eba the Fabulous Zone so 2021 there you didn't catch am say the top quality content and ebrem ewo channel we so mo am follow ya channel munim say the ye no munye hu prof ha dia munim say on there or the facts and figures na ebetudwa on kasakwa o ka sem bia out no say atano we didn't catch hwehwem ehu say the ni nyina sitie ansa na odi aba out onye stomach journalist for no met na efidie so a omunim de omo kan ansa makeka bi basa na omoko no and ye issue a person in the weekly digest no some important issues bia isisi wo Kumasi Asante Kotoko over this past week ye call Sudan and send basa players omo nye training COVID-19 test same yasa konya Algerian Giants wo Confederation Cup no draw no ye ba be biem ka one by one na ya hwe nse ni nyina se yesitie midi e de kenko bi na bibia ye program we na Blue Diamond Hotel oba Accra na ope baby di ti ato age wa home ope hotel ni bibia konkan a na wa ba Taifa no be say Blue Diamond Hotel driver bia no be call Blue Diamond Hotel a horn and then waso ya sen ye di nedwumedi ne ebremo ye introduce ye guest for today Prof Robert Odro aka Prof Akwawa first time Asia 2021
yes
official panso
afin committee
afisi se na Kotoko ye koyini Prof ye hwe sensem bi nsem de yanka wasem say listeners ni viewers no ka no omfa ye ho nchen Kotoko ye ko Sudan say ko bo match ye wo hwa inim say match be ba so aden a players no say yanfa pediem ye outstanding amo a so me hwa ko training mpo no omo nyempo na gampeso makobo match no players a tweet ya say omo nye training asem we say ha Kotoko lovers no wo Kotoko fan bia wo bia ha no pa say players I didn't say something yes mako drew baby say na mo be disgrace and I said ama obia kakai Black Stars mako drew Brazil no nyoma mo ye no same way who is saying how do you take it?
Yo, Mr. Minia, I'm say before I will go into your question, let me use this opportunity to once again wish our followers, Fabulous Zone followers, on our various social media platforms a happy prosperous new year.
Sure.
And mostly our fans in the US, that is Lindsay, Didi. When you go to Holland, we have Eric.
Italy, we have viewers from Italy,
UK, France. We have France.
Yeah.
We have even in Africa.
Yeah.
We have people in Tanzania,
South Africa, Egypt.
Nigeria.
We have viewers from Egypt.
We have all those in Italy.
All those in Italy.
We salute you guys, and we believe 2021 we are going to give you guys the best as you always want. Now, young a question I will be saying so, and answer some of the journal. In the first place, meeting so the club Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Club player B, etimi sacrificing man no say. When you say Otukwanko outside Kobo football,
big
but
club.
Because of the love of Kotoko, inti ose onko. National player like Reverend Osekufi. Now I sign at Nabo Amasa Club Kotoko. Waja international career at home because of Kotoko. Club the likes of Ibrahim Sunday, African best player, Abo.
Champions League winner. Club
Abdul Razak, Abo. Golden boy. Club Malik Jaber, Abo.
On the Africa best player, Abdul Razak.
Robert Force Infum, Abo. Club a year or two for team. Now, as a player, when you're playing as a club, we are because of $400. Into what do I say? We know what's a one year. Club Okobo match, which means the former president of Ghana. How many clubs in Ghana are now more players?
Kufuor.
And he has access to President Kufuor. This man has served this club as chairman before. In Timon for many and two sampling for winning. Now, we to check club anymore former.
Obi Manso.
The shame one they at to club, no, any the ownership of the club. So Asante mine colors and a more servo. Colors are about be said to me story Gina and Yabro for Kunye, Edium Sunkinim. And then I dare Shamonsa, Muyeni saying. Because of $400. Now, my question, I be some on that day, and he say, this $400 in on second year, is it going to be the end of your career with Kotoko? Does it mean that I can now in China or contract only Kotoko one? And then the following day, there's a second scanner at all cost. Now, contract on money Kotoko one, a fine year statue must pay them, you see. Or contract, you know, you specify how much will be paid a month. But they specify our contract, you say, a amount of $400 and $100 per match, per them. No. In January, I won't fight for our salary. Now, you miss Kotoko, the salary can. Management came out to say it's just December year, Chomiae.
And the same question,
Klaus be Ghana ha. Almost the players cut 2, 3, 4 months. The renew year. Maybe as a player now, we work Kotoko Nena, we yet me my seminal. Now, boss our club. No? But at that time, we went to hold the club into ransom. Into one respecting man, share. So, Otum for NC Namunium. And now, I call Obi Manso, I call fighting for Otum for crucial game. Game one, ever change Ghana position in African club competitions. I mean, it's a slot for their other clubs. When you have opportunity, some clubs are looking for this opportunity to showcase their talent. And it's up to $400 required to train. Now, cover ball. I was Sudan. Now, performance is good. Now, we have a contract worth of $700,000. Then, what kind of players, you know, respond and they say, oh, and you say boycott too. Training name na ye meeting and time I yeko training and that time was time I call for the meeting. How dare you? What do you want to say? You need to play, no, you need to have exercise before your game. Now the exercise need time on our open the meeting.
But didn't they know the time for training? It's me affect your meeting or whatever, no. Even hours before training and not training time, and I say training. I want to more flexible meeting. I
am so much disappointed in the leadership of the club. That is not the management, but the playing body.
That's Felix and I.
That is the captains, Felix, Emmanuel Jemfi, and whoever is part of them as leaders of the playing body. No, I'm not disappointed the entire Kotoko fraternity.
Seriously, because
say a military way na you guys are the commandant of the troops. Did the moment come a ceasefire? Play be any authority. Make Kaiser your former captain Amos Frimpong. Some players were making this allegation say he was always serving the interest of the management.
Company.
As the captain of the club, you work hand in hand with management. And the way you need to shield the management, you have to do so. That is why you have been appointed as the leader. You liaise between the management and your players. And here's the case that you rather are organizing a meeting to fight for $400. And the management now no more yes or no. As leader, no, you go back to them and sit down with them and have a meeting. And as the who say we colleagues now no more. Sorry, I can say it and so call on side now. No, you need to look at the interest of Ghana first. Answer na Kotoko. Club, no. Then you turn your back and look at who is behind club. Kotoko. Otumfo poku say to Nana, your boy dia ye. This is the man you are serving. Now say yam fan so Otumfo kwado ka $400. because of $400 in tea.
Na mo de munya won chen kra mo Kotoko mo sha de munya won chen and free money you kra just say we kra bebre
matete say media bi ye na almost omo ni management ni person mo share meeting omo am mo chance no ma anya meeting omo from omo nya won hey and your management members you know, are they saying say they are not close to the team, they are not close to the playing body? Be so and a high sense deal or moko sign sika so mu winning match I say back club no omu hu ye emaye. Hey, the high sense deal, was it part of your contract you signed with the club?
No.
Was it part? Was it was not part when you were coming to play for Kotoko? Now you say high sense was sponsor Kotoko. Your clubs be or have players you bomu kuomu almost share and cry ntimi an share almost sponsors away. That's my 11 wonders. You show me who do me almost sponsors away. In January, into your players and I saw more money and say see form. Never been catch say you jump so too much. Kotoko, a club as a player now serve with your heart. Fans even make you.
They go to for soccer same way.
Even make you. Nancy Amako President Kufo, a football President Kufo too was about say when you might be free to Samson I Kotoko was 7 Kotoko year. Even what Kotoko you
be surprised.
I hope one will enjoy. There were former players you or ne or moon and name or moon is as a result of playing for Kotoko. And I'm a Modu. It was shameful.
How do you relate this to the 2014 the Black Stars Square or Brazil no?
The same thing. Me so be correct say and na as servo as we ama players no emulate. It's the same thing.
Because from 2014 and I'm Black Stars the love and Ghana for more no. It's a coy.
I'm
try some
member. I'm misronu because say Sudan for share and ka fans bu ebe foot team no but the mo foot team no said the mo akoye sika sem no obi adwen because money ko di sika echi and na makọ na yahye mo nti ho na ko obi adwen be mama mo kwan mankrofo be nyama tinya nje mo ta mo kwan na man koye sa and na yahye mo kura na ye be jatum so your performance na anko yi but na makoye sika sem no nti ye ko share mo obi e bahye mo
mo bobo se den kura
obi a be bahye mo
na mo pesika sem
sika Blaster players akoye ama the love of Ghanaians towards the national team. A conform. Kotoko. Since new management we buy, fans are trooping in day in day out, trying to get closer to the club. And it's up to you, the playing body. Some be pay performance.
But no be so say players no management dey omo kana.
You see, say management at the players can say you can say mo kan na ya hypocrites.
Sure.
Omo wo avenues we bro omo dey can. I didn't know more team manager. In the person of a former player or Hinibrinya. He is a former player of the club and he knows how to play when you need money. Until omo here $400 in Sudan, no die then. And I'm go through management and provide you any money. Omo fa car on their own and they go training na. Omo just $400 na koto omo nchen hotel omo dem na omo go training ba na omo be ka kire say akromfo be wiaye. Omo twin sa ne money na ho ana.
It's not like a miss Ben on meeting your faso because everything is a place in the way and I say per se make it sit with no money.
See, let me tell you this.
It means Ben pardon best.
The only means they can do was to come back to Ghana after playing that match to see the results, whether they have qualified to the next stage or not. You know, but few cry, ma qualify, and I'm qualify. Munya chance to play in confederation. Says Amoko confederation. You know, no fear now. Then you sit down here and tell them, say, if you guys does not resolve this issue, we are boycotting the next matches. And you fear.
I don't say about media.
And PM media and I international media and you fear to the sense of management. You use scar. Or they solve accommodation or any day to Yamoka. Meanwhile, no one name say a management member who is Denta was on her way coming to Sudan. And Bana Obana is getting over.
The same issue now.
The same issue is over. I didn't tell no premo for Sasikano. I didn't tell no premo for Sasikano. And now I say, what is Sikani we are Kotoko Biwana? Sikani Yamudia. Obi in Kasemun deserve.
It's not even salaries.
Any salary. $400. Now $400, you know, as a child salary after Munana. See, I mess replace no miss show. Say Obi show mochi. And now oh yes, I deal we are. You see, when you dent the image of the club, thinking say whoever is handling the club, no, you be fire no na you be yinedi. And your club now oh bono, and they suffer. Because let me tell you, if Nana Ponsan his management leaves today, Kotoko will be Kotoko.
Sure.
But we have to go back and start again.
Yeah.
Policies, structures are all building in a bit waste.
Prof, Matisse say, if you must say, reason to yes and say they want to sabotage the management because, sir, you know, the man back on a back enticement fee, no, our money be fee honor. So she should place to be say, I didn't so be yiska with fee her. In terms of some year, everything possible to bring the enticement fee back.
If that is true, then we don't have Kotoko players currently. My reason is that Kotoko players now minimum from say me, you know, they don't play the club because of money. There was a time in Ghana, we a local player now will call foreign Akobo club beer. The first club they want to see on your CV is Kumasa Sante Kotoko. Now, some to talk club now say yeah. A better than a foreign clubs not to recognize him. A better than what to recognize him. You see, yeah, society be change a bar ne accept no. Say yeah, jatumun, demand. I did a matter of change bar, demand, say accept change. And to say whoever is bringing change, you know, on your beer or yes strict. Ordinary ABC for more. Nema pop person this are changing the way intimi ejuma. Old ways na. Minya banta with someone on social media, the person was saying say inti club night and time no. Na me say right and time o kan ben so. Onko transfer market no ko say Kotoko. Value yesen. Don't check the previous years.
Net is saying.
No say it and time no. Performance of the field. And I'm saying the performance of the field. For 85 years in me, we are always concerned about the performance on the field. 85 years, we don't have a facility. Facility, a bit timid and such stress or booster can say, wait, facility where there, a BVT Kotoko. It's hard time, you also know we'll be breaking that jinx. They concentrate on building structures. I be work Kotoko that because say we are saying say ya Kotoko and say
even if it will cost us the league.
Yes. Arsenal in England.
Sure.
Emma target say say timi Yankasa Stadium.
Bigger one. I bet me fetching sika epe. The men concentrate on yenye sika. Hwe na omo top players aboarding. No omo top. Na emomu no nketwa no omo binpe na omo aton disika kese. And then almost stadium a senefata man enough revenue
where they go through Ghana ya coffee the biso a enye ye de anti
magijiska nyina
ya be pona ya timi nyina de abankro for stadium ni omo dia 85 years yentimin stadium common urina kura ho de mayen Kotoko o first club. Now, so we a player at this moment. Now, to mean sacrifice. He said, "Oh, obi be sacrifice him a Kotoko nye di inti na nemi so manya Kotoko obo. Inti me time so inti me na say be there. You don't deserve to be a Kotoko player." Inti say, and Grofo can say, new policy now banning na players. You know, yes, are sabotaging the ideas of the new management there. Then I don't see them as Kotoko players.
I don't see them as Kotoko players. And then Odro ne final West out their mind. Sa topic we hon Kotoko players yesremo de mo ye ne bi ma be ye ko bi ma be ye de se mo de no 3 times 4 times 5 times o ma be ye ko ba mo nyina no mo yisika no to nchen no ma bo a club no e de ama the fans no ene asanteman ne Ghana e je be sremo ball no mo ba bi no amo ya ye hu bi da ana say Kotoko abakwa say mu ni bi nsida de be sere mu nhire mu ye mbobọ no man na de mu hie bia no even Martin Nkujo he say ko le go say wayira oba Kotoko hwe how ni din e ko soro oba Kotoko ni heart game no
just one game
hwe how ni din ba soro hwe skakofo etoma player we na tali ni kwa nkomumpo out mi nye bi kwa akoya adoye bo fi Kotoko hwe we kire mu Kotoko no oyiwiye mpo a onso no odachi enye ye nhwe ma ne nye basabasa yo ye mfensi ase na ya ye ko the next topic so ye pese sabo Blue Diamond Hotel ase ye pese do ye bo ma ba so papa Blue Diamond Hotel Taifa oba Taifa na ope baby di ti atora ba Blue Diamond